Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Yay. Isanga phose sengibhala ashozi. Go tsama go di bona. O bona go tsama go di bona, o rwana ke di bona. And ni bala ngapha ngithi yeki. Abafazi abangiphin like advice what ke dire jong cause bophelo bo ntse ka chok slam. And ke in up to here. Angisakhoni phela ukubele emuva. Tshwantsho re ke pele. If ke bola mrago ke mathata. Okay, ashozi nikile a last year student. La bengena khona isikolo ne or kongena utswa kumagaeng or nna awusuzi ngipedi twi obona uthi hayi bengingena ibe we last year yami or awusuzi kulobona like sometimes simkhodi uba le chelete but because of uyethanda ukushopha so you don't know ukuthi uthenga in maro yakho yakomolong or bekina le extra 1000 rand so I'm like mangimolo ngiyobheka ukuthi Mr Price bangiphathele ini ko di fix one reaching in or like di shop uthi jabana vasikolo wadibona uthi hayi vele ngihambe uthi mangiceda vele uhamba mangihlika or vele or kulobona like ko entrance yakomolo kuba nala like indlula khona pedestrian walk kulobona la ngihamba khona vele besinyawo then izimoto zanimela ndibona bakhona ukula bashozi vele ngihamba lapho mangihamba ore tsanetse ke fete hotla Mercedes or iyata Mercedes then na ke feta kyakwa and then tsanetse go tsena go entrance ya mall uthi ngapha ku Mercedes ku passenger driver unomuntu and kunomuntu or ke three guys abatsebotse ubona or alenka mo passenger ubhizi hey makele ubona uyangikhulumisa or awusuzi kinomjika ka mo level ngathi khana ngacabanga ngibiza umuntu unga drive futhi ikuyona or katsena vele komolo uthi mangi ngena uabuti vele uhlikile le moto level u decide ukuthi no emangigijimisele ntombazana or awusuzi abuto anshala ngomrago or ke or wabona like khona le hankenyana tsetele but bayajima but abase Steven kakhulu but you uyayibona physical mothoke motholi gym mara ga se Steven marana ufit athi yabona le bhuta banjalo arike abuto jalo apere skipa nyana sis plain white wa pere le track pen ugcoke namana ama clap uthi vele uyazangijima so awushozi in my mind I'm like uyagaya mara mothoto mbora bona uthi nyawo ukuthi vele asola angibiza athi ima phela nyakubiza or awushozi vele keme because sijampakela makhabathu uthi ngime vele uthi ubhuti vele sothi ubhuti inkosinathi orara awusi unjani uthi ngikhona arwayi kubita ayingibiza unga labona orar la ke jagile a ro jagetse go ka gona mo jagetseng na athi I know like I'm alone but like ngifuna nezinto ngifuna shop ke labona so okay was like uya go specific store do you mind uthi ngakhapha la ngihambe nawo okay was like no ke batho tsamaya ke le one angifuna hamba nawo so guy was like uya hopa around shop amaningi na ubona uthi girl akanti wangibuza uthi ngiyakuphi kanti unyaka ubona or ke bile hotineha ke lo bona uthi guy was like no bengifisa ngabona isikhathinyana like ngikhulume nawe uthi sema udlula nje something in me thize ngikukhulumise ke lo bona so can we please talk. Sisters was like no nake ke shopper and fanele ngibele endlini ngisayofunda bona ora kanti umntwana esikole usisi athi yebo ke nangwana esikole like edira last year yaka ubona ku University of Mama yabona ubrother was like okay so bothi uthenga ini so sisters was like no man ubatla ini tell me ufuna ini ubrother said no ngicela ukuthi ungiphi 1 hour of your time ngihlale phansi ngikhulume nawe or 30 minutes or 15 minutes if you think ukuthi 1 hour it's a long time rinobuwa nje ngikwazi namungazi usisters or awushoze ke hane ngale ngithi no I can't ngifuna ukwenza izinto zami athi ujaheleni into engakungayithenga ari unororeka uthi ngithi hayi ngifuna uthenga like few things ne bag ari ubrother sangibuza ukuthi ubatla bag yamkhuda mama uthi ngimtshela ukuthi bengithi ngiyothenga ibag ka Steve of or nakusebe kuna 1000 rand mo account ngokudla eling extra uthi ngithi ngithenga ibag ka Steve of ngibamba ngisho ngithi Steve of so uthi guy was like so back guy uthi ngikanitshe ukuthi ke 1.5 guy was like okay if you give me if ungiphi number yakho ngikukesendele yona kuyirele afan iwallet ungakhona ukukhuluma nami na for 15 minutes abona urugelo urkena hani kare iwallet ufuna ukuthi immediately mawujikala na utshela abangani bakho bayikhiphe ngiphenduka islima hayi ke bahle rather if you want ukungiphi imali if I bank account yami uthi guy athi okay ngiphi number la ngayitransfera khona gela athi yonke ka fa account number mo kayikinya ngona what uthi hayi vele guy athi ngiphake akhiphi phone ke mo fi account number guy faka imali ithi tinting awusoze urki 2000 rand the same time immediately uthi athi lena engizathenga ngayo lunch maqeda uthenga ibag le ufuna athi na ungangiphi isikhathi uthi ngikhulume nawe na or ashozi unkosinathi asilabantu baphuma orkanti ke motho wa ka mo South Africa ongutla uthi uthi ngivumeke because ngisho thina le 2k nje out of nowhere kidumele awushozi uthi okay masingena entrance kunala like une coffee nyana shop lencane uthi athi ngicela ukusihlalela and then sikhulume masinya because ngihamba nabantu and bangimele so si busy ngama renovation endlini yami so labantu kahle kahle bakhaphe mina la yabona uthi ngithi okay uthi ngiba inform ukuthi bangiphe just 15 minutes I'm coming thatha ifoni awushozi ifoni la majita I know guys ngicela ngiphe 15 minutes ngisakhuluma nalomntwana uthi makaqeda ukukhuluma kanjalo vele amajita sombambile masingaka so uthi phone like yawutohala nasana hanofuna haixuxo hala to that level uthi mawaqeda ukusho njalo ngithi okay kahle kahle wena like mina ngibhate yakho kahle kahle utshela abantu bakho uthi ngiyomthola lentobozana no matter what ungikiraphi okemelele vele uthi ngiphakama uthi bangithi ngiyaphakama vele ngidonze ngasandla athi sisi ngiyacela ukukhuluma nawe ngiyacela ke radu ngiphi contact number yakho sizokhuluma it's up to you from here ungafuna ukukhuluma nami or awufuni unomfadi number phone jahaho ke uthi ngithi okay ngimupha ama number phone angibhazi to show ukuthi ama number lawa yangena na and then ahambe athi sizokhuluma ngitsama or also in my heart I'm like ngishuma nomxola hambe or ngithatha ifone yami ngiyomblock ngihambe ke mina ngiyoshopha uthi ngitsama ke shope or also shope like because of bengakaplananga ukuthi ngiyoba next 2000 or ke shope mangiceda vele or ke request Uber ngitsamaye ngendlini uthi mangifika endlini like ngiyabona ama miss call ile number leyana ngiyibona ama miss call ngixola hambe ufuna ukungenza isidodo salana akibanyana bamona akihlala ifile yabo uthi hayi ngizele esikolweni awusithozi khwedi fede still umuntu usangi phonela maybe like mobe ke ngathola ama miss call akhe 3 still uyafona yabona so uyafona or inyanga iphele uthi inyanga mayiphele usatshele ngoko Saturday through bilipula beyina uthi I'm sleeping ifone ikhale ngianswer mangianswera athi njani ngithi ngikhona athi khuluma nonkosinathi uthi ngithi okay athi uyangikhumbula na kithi unkosinathi mupha athi yakhumbula ukawumupha if number phone emoqedana na wangiblocker I'm that guy why only block or I was just amahloni kimi uthi umuntu angifuna azangithole and ungithole ngakathi la ngicaqeda uvuka ekseni uthi ngithi kuye ngithi no I thought ukuthi uzodlala ngami so by the looks of things the way umngane wakho khulume ngakhona awuphrisile is like ngathi into yenza every day so mina ngifuna umuntu ozozempilweni yami heartbreak that's the reason ngivele ngakublock okay I was like no bengithanda ukukhuluma nawe ngicela ukuthi ungunblock ngikhulume nawe ngicela ukuthi ngiphi chance ngiziprove mina ngiyunkosinathi ukuthi umuntu onjani so please unblock me or ashozi after the call ke unblock guy yabona uthi hayi ashozi sesaqala ke sesa communicate again uguy kali WhatsApp kali video call uguy vele yangikhomba vele endlini yakhe baya renovate abangacedanga vele like bekwi normal house manje uyayichange uyidira a double story house uguy ya renovate kwakhe like umbutho baby busy in or awushozi muthwana shela mara ushicho kushana baby this yabona ngibusy but bengathanda ukuthi mangaba nesikhathi but ngeke ngikhona during the day we can meet up late at night then for a dinner or something because during the day I'm very busy ngifuna ukupusha a project yami ukuthi 6 months manje ngicedile ngayo what I awushozi namphela kibe curious or this guy uyenza indlu yakhe to convert her to a double story house Chale the day you must come. What? Popular thing. What is this just the kid you made? It's aslangane. You can tell me what is slangane woman zoza. Utuka at okay? I baby sizokhuluma ke ngiza update her mang friend and khona kopana. Astrozi now I'm looking forward to ukuthi ngihlangane no guy because angiyakhona ubona ama clips ompilo yakhe ukuthi impilo yakhe is very interesting so mina ngivele kanti decline umuntu engathi ngambonanga yabona uthi hayi kudlule iviki solo siya communicate about asikhuluma ukuthi sizohlangana kube li weekend are bengicela this weekend ukuthi ngahamba nawe mina nabangani bami siya ku Spin City la kuspina khona imoto yabona so bengicela ukuthi uhambe nami uthi awushozi phela nomuntu lona azange sisahlangana ever since sikhuluma like ka phone dira di video call azange sahlangana nje saba like on a real date yabona uthi angiceleke ukuthi sambe si la spina khona imoto kithi Spin City ke mo spina ngothi ngikoloyi khona lapho uthi angi-invite ke angitshela ukuthi you know dress code ube fine nje like ube comfortable ngilobona uthi asho mina ngimtshela ukuthi asangiyimi la basibina khona izimoto so ke first time hayi angitshela ukuthi relax baby kumnandi lapho uzozi-enjoy alright awusozi kube ukuthi ilanga lafika ngimsele location la ngihlala khona umuntu azozongipick up angangipick up hayi ugayi batsamaya ka what's the name of the car ngiyakhohlwa legama leli Vian ngifucking car bahamba ngifucking car yabona uthi vele like ama friends or kibona almost these people kahle barola kahle like kuchayile thing ngilobona like abangani sebavele nje barokhaphi barera ku Spin City rizama ka kolo ijwang ngilobona uthi hayi mangifika vele abantu awushozi babhera botse ngikhamonate mana ngikhaliphi umtshele nje abantu abaholi kulobona uthi kuno kamnandi hi I'm the first girl uhamba nabo okay so the other one asho ukuthi ugirl wakhe uyadriver uzobathola phambili ugirl uzana ugirl umunye okay sharp awusoze grasama rifihle khwali ugayi introduce me uthi le ntombazana le young blogger la khumula sihlangana like uthe iwe hube umnade hube fani uthi sifike Spin City ayisibukele sihlangana namantombazana la ayisibulisane ugayi angithathe athi no mina ngifuna ukuthi mina nawe gabotsebotse ribe together sukela nemsindweni yabona uthi hayi sihambe ke uthi sifike sihlale emotweni ugayi as introduce kahle ngidivorce usingeli unomntwana wanontombazana umntwana wakhe una 15 years old and kahle yena he's looking for a partner akafuni girlfriend ufuna a partner so uyangithanda uyazi ukuthi I'm young but like one rather too much that's why nanoma sengimblokile bekazama ukuthi ngibone ukuthi uyangifona usamfonela noma ngimblokile but azangaza give up because of now la ngibona first time ratlika ubona okay sharp uthi ngibe nama doubts because kile student and I've been around ngiyabona ukuthi batho bana babadira ngama student uthi ngibe nama doubts vele like kisikabali assurity or unrata kanete or batla smash and grab atsamai kulobona hayi sihlalenyana ribele vele ko nthongela ko eventing kube mnandi la ngathi shone ugayi angitshele athi abatshela abagayi ukuthi ngicela ngikhaphi intombi yami phela nibusibusele endlini urasho ze ampotso gore batlo le nna ubatlo unskepa azangazisho zona lezo bangikhaphe mangifika masifika vele ahlike angemele kitsane ku gating avele athi sharp ke tla ubona athi ngihambe or asozi manje sengiyazuza ukuthi umuntu lo attracted to me or kanjani because I was waiting for bomba lona mabe almost better yabona or ke mtsi dilo tseo so ugayi vele ayi angeke ngihambe and then WhatsApp ke lady angizela ukuthi ulale kahle indilo ngena tsijwa or Sunday angifonela ugayi athi is it possible ngiyeza lapho ngizopick up ngifuna ukhomba something or ke motor no it's fine I can problem hayi vele ezuka ngishayabona ukuthi sengihlala kuphi phela manje sobonile ezuka yazongipick up si drive or around pick up around 10 am si drive vele ahamba yongikhomba like indlu yakhe renovator or ngifihle vele ngiyabona vele construction busy vele angikhombe athi this can be your home if mina nawe izinto zethu sihamba kahle lingaba ikhaya lakho okay ngibuza ukuthi awunamuntu vele shosho ake namuntu monga ngithethe i-break after i-divorce yami because izinto zange zihambe kahle so like bengase right I wasn't ready ukuthi ngajumpa into a new relationship so now I'm ready and I feel like I found the right person for impilo yami angashara na impilo yami alright I was choosing kube ukuthi nami ngele sengiyangenelela phela kuyatempela banong or ke mathoma ngilikara ngaseke or banong katsenelela ka utlo re pelo banong ya bulela motho abona okay sharp alo tongikhoma indlu athi no asiphume man let's go out sodla out ke Sunday beside alright re tsamaye bona le Sunday ichila siko dikayikai or re tsamaye re fihle mo sichile uye mna nje makazongilanda uyebeka driver le fucking car sichile kube mnandi hayi mina no guy vele or like the communication the align everything esikhulumayo like remove ka everything man ka everything kuqala vele kube chillinyana athi hayi mana sami sochile emotweni because sisaphuza ama drinks or ashoze ayisihlala emotweni uthi masihlala emotweni vele ama city phela bhekene manje guy vele aqaleke seyamqabuza ke ashe no angifuna ukuthatha ngwana sikole ke bathi step ko sikolong so sizoplana kahle i-weekend isihlangane, so let me drive you back uye ukwele kosikolong ubona tomorrow esikolong because of now ukuphuza uthi hawu ngisho ukuthi hawu kanti sesikhona amadoda so emhlabeni ikilobona or awushozi angikhaphe vele afike angiqabuze vele uthi good night ahambe ke lena ke tsamayeke zenekonto. Hayi awushozi unyaka phela so yekupheleni ki student kidira last year kaka vele ke ngala exam uthi ugayi kidi gifts day and day imali allowance wamfa ku right uthi hayi sesuku 4 months ke into the relationship azange sibhuke barere yakukaka robala or stuff like that azange. The only thing besiyenza ukucabazana kuphela uthi hayi angifonele athi indlu yami iphelile so sengimove in so bengicela nje urukatla for a weekend uzovakasha ke manje sovakasha kwami yabona utshela uGeli ke uGeli ashozi ngithi finally mona angi-invite finally uthi hayi ngibhake ke i-weekend back yami aze vele azongilanda or ashozi it was a time more ngwala ngoteng and vele it was a time la vele sengiprepare ukuthi hayi ngisenzobile ekhaya ikilobona cause taba yesikolo ifekile pilapile. Hayi invite uGayi ngifike kwakhe uGayi kusashoda then but like when coming to izinto zokwakha and stuff uqedile shoda just touch up there and there. Hayi ngifike ke and bonse the whole house ngaphandle ngaphakathi sikhombisa i-bedroom yami i-kitchen abangathi ba-installa ukilobona ngilungena tsejawo ayi uGayi ke sichile vele weekend ka ufele asuse amakomisha hlangana kobe monate. Uthi all along awushozi ngikhuluma naye uGayi ne akangitshela ukuthi usebenza kuphi akangitsheli like we don't talk about money sikhuluma ngemali bakangipha mina kuphela uthi hayi ngithumela 1000 rand uhlobona uRobert akakho umethi 2000 things like that uthi like azange akhulume ngomsebenzi makana ma guys wakhe like ababuye babulela ka ball babangibolela ka rugby akukhulume ukuthi guys niku business or in uthi nama angibuzi as stupid as I was then bengabuzi ukuthi kwenzakalani imali ibuya kuphi yabona kodwa awushozi hayi ngihambe ke on a Sunday uthi makwi Sunday bengibhala amanye amalanga bengabhali so ku angifonele ebusuku athi tomorrow uyabhala na ngithi no sengicedile ukubhala kilobona ngibhalele ngicedile so I'm done. uGayi athi okay bengicela because socedile awusa attend buzo move in for a week this side rekhona ubonana kodwa awushozi kiselu zakhe ke tsamaye vele ke Gayi obviously sengilili state yakhe kilobona akusana di doubts and stuff like that. Uthi ngifike ke kaGayi or awushozi uGayi athi kimi athi no kumele ukuthi sikume umngane wami uyashada so baya rehearse i steps so asambe ke ngikhapha siyo rehearse kamngane wami or awushozi retsamaya or awushozi arele motseleng like ke kamngane wakhe ke is not far like nalahlala khona uGayi uthi masendleleni awushozi sibona amavena a2 amaphoyisa ayasidlula adira mabona uri ngibona uGayi ukuthi uncomfortable kilobona mara ngizele ukuthi maybe kushona ubani kilobona uthi masihamba kule strata lesisiyakiso kugcwele amaphoyisa uthi uGayi athi you know what mangishaye u10 la manje ngizambona usothu Tshepo ngizambona uTshepo SG khona la ekhetla mfonile yabona uthi ashaye u10 vele ajike uri nga understand ukuthi lo muntu lo uthikela enye kilobona why ajika uthi asame sendini sizaba indoors beside like it's not ukuthi into ejaherile like ngixathasile leyo explanation angipha yona sharp awushozi bengithi ngihlala khona iviki athi might no man hlala another week because of it's not like la uyakhona ukuhlala nabantu uhlala uyi1 or awushozi kidule beke emwa hayi ngimthe ukuthi ngifuna ukuya emall man ngifuna something engifuna ukuyithenga emall ubona bengiphelele like body pads and stuff uthi uGayi athi okay ngizokhapha ke uremo lo uri awushozi aritswa like sihamba uthi masojona indlela ama robot la ungenana la khona emall uthi kuvele kume imoto amaphoyisa ithi mopele ga koloi eritsamaya nka yona uthi ime bakhiphi ibhamu bathi awushozi amaphoyisa aphume ablock vele the car ba block imoto esihamba ngayo bayiblock gore go be le van like ngathi bebamtrepile I don't know go be le van but not ama van la yabona lawa abhaliwa amaphoyisa lawa like a white nyana then babafuna ukuyikhomisa ukuthi amaphoyisa babeka le light label blue la ku dashboard ile moto njalo ithi imevele phambi kwethu ikhanyisa mabona uri kumraho me like ama private cars not lawa a branded amaphoyisa othi vele bamivele uthi mabahlike bathi bathi izandla emoyeni phuma emotweni awusuzike nina ke nize ku passenger seat ke guy uhleli ngapha uthi uguy athi no don't worry baby izinto ezincane don't worry just cooperate wena mabathenza so wenze so uthi bamhlise vele uguy cala vele uthi vele bambambe abathi uphoyisa amtshela ukuthi uyakuthi sikufunela indoda uthi uguy angasho next ayisizandla emuva bamfake bamdire bambele iphoyisa nje ukuthi le moto lesihamba nayo sisi umazi kanjani lo muntu ithi boyfriend yami athi this thing sifunelayo when I involved so uyenza kanjani ukhona ukuyendleni na or awusithozi naku ngivakashele kamfana so ngiyohlala kanjani kamfana nangekho umfana athi no baby thatha amakhiya uba ubele endlini and then qedalana ungiphathele ama-track suit ungiphathele ijazi ungiphathele namateki but ushiya malesisi uze sizohlangana le yabona i-prostitution or awusithozi yatatazela it's my first time sengidila ne-situation ukuthi if involve amaphoyisa or awusithozi nake ngwana sikolo shem ki innocent akhe tsebeselo hambe angidirect uthi ngithathe ini ebhegeni lakhe ngenzeni ngimlethele izinto okay prostitution ngifika vele ngithola sekuholding cell ke bavuma ukuthi ngiyombuza ukuthi kanti brothers ikwenzakalani athi I know baby ke my nothing don't stress yourself baby hlala endlini ungayila uhlala khona hlala endlini ngizobuya in a week or two uthangitshele athi ungastress athi ngicela uvule ifone yami kune number yakabani ilo yami ngicela ukuthi uyifonele umtshele ukuthi nguphi then yena he will take it from there ashuzi amfe password ngibule ifone ha uthi ngicheck ifone akunamantombazane ifone clean awunabanyana awunalutho snacks akathatha nama picture phone thing urawo vele ngifonile lo ngitshela lo athi okay sharp ngizoyisota out ura ashuzi kidule beki kwale no communication no next ngihleli iviki hleli ngi1 umuntu akavile ngihlala the second week ko second week awushozi hayi ngimangale umuntu nango songena eminyango uphumile kekani baby kwenzakalani ubheba angafuna ukusho next athi hayi baby don't worry right akadisclose anything kimothoring I don't want to get right hayi okay bahambe i-court case ngingayilandeleli because bengafuna ukuthi ngazi ukuthi bebambophele ini uthi awushozi kiphelele motholo dikolodi kwaleke ke tsamaye ke high January ishaye angibize athi buya ngapha ngizo-organize isibani because uqedile I know someone or has someone ongakufaka emsebenzini ora awushozi ngibuye ke na sa communicate na someone ukuthi ngimthumele i-CV lo someone ngizohlangana naye ora awushozi corruption mo South Africa ingata kakobotse ingata and it's very deep especially mobile department and what it's very deep or awushozi mina zange interview but umereko kugrele ku department of what ngangena kanjalo ke ngathola umsebenzi ngaba permanently employed ubrothers izinto zakhe zaba right ubrothers mina I don't know ukuthi urana umshiyashika ngaleso sikhathi ke berekela I'm excited ubrothers athi there is no room uhlala uzohlala nami and kahle ibiliki konza mahadi go him because now izinto zethu seziyavuma ura awushozi I was in love le brothers I was so in love le brothers ubrothers bekangithokomela nadira bophelo baka bube easy bekangidrop emsebenzini bekangilanda angilanda yabona so uthi kube nesinye isikhathi awushozi sisendlini kuze amaphoyisa laba ngigcwini form ama CID uthi babafika ngisikhona soyithuya nokushawa mina ngikhona I'm cooking uthi bagogote vele ngivula umnyango bangibuza igama ngibatshele bangitshela ukuthi bafuna ugayi ngithi ugayi usishawureni but ngizomtshela uthi phoyisa lengibheke lermarana wena ninesibindi ne mantombazane nebindi you don't care ukuthi le mention yakho ngemali yakuphi I don't care wena unobona oli smart ukenya mirire mothoko ngifela you don't care ura awushozi ke makale gore I don't care kanti lo muntu lo bamlekela enye uthi vele ngihambe ngiyombiza bangangitsheli director amaphoyisa hambe ngiyokubiza uGayi hayi uGayi vele ahlangane nabo baphumele ngaphandle aphinde abuye ubhuti abuya urkamona uthola plasticana uyabona lama plastic mawuthenga into e1 store lawo amancane like lawa kuphona kubuthi truwets wabona amancane lawo uthi uphuma uphethele uplasticana hayi tsole athwele plasticana ngayicheck la plastic clubs ngiyabona ngathi kunama notes kunemali la phakathi uthi aphume uthi makabuya ngithi you know what inkosinati malafu if wena uthumela amandwendwe ikithi ubahlonyala it's high time that you tell me ukuthi wenzani because I can see ukuthi there's a lot of things ozenzayo ezingekho umthethweni uthi uGayi athi baby I don't think ukuthi you are ready to know ukuthi ngenzani if the time is right I will tell you but uGayi angitshela ukuthi baby girl lesizama nje zokufunda day sengingene too deep ngibona ukuthi angeke ngeze ngiphume idanyana yilo ngizokutshela khona ukuthi ngenzani but for now relax yourself enjoy lempilo mina ngikupha yona and ungazihluphi uzistress ngami I know what I'm doing what I was choosing ngithule kanjalo cause chelete yatsena life is life izinto zami ziyapopa ngiyasebenza mosihlala khona vele sesilungisile amathasha ku right ku smart bophelo bo right alright ilinge lamalanga awusiziko kodwa amaphoyisa akhe ekhedini basho ukuthi maphoyisa and stuff usicela ukuthi besivule or awusizi uteng konhlungu uthi leso sikhathi bengekho the whole day staying the whole day uthi ukhona endlini athi kimi athi baby ngizophuma ngasemuva bavulele after 10 minutes labantu labo ngathi bavulele or awusizi kidule bana ngichukhile ngibona ukuthi ule namale ngikude uchukhile uthi awusizi umuntu ajampe ke ahambe ngivule uthi mangivula umnyango akuze amaphoyisa or mana ngikile amaphoyisa bofandermeve laba baso uthi bafike baze nazinja lezi sniff ezinukelelayo yabona or awusizi izinja zingene inside the house zinukelele zingatholi next bangibuza ukuthi uphi umuntu wakho ngithina mina since ngicine mina angimazi ukuthi uphi athi angitshela ukuthi immediately makafika lana ngicela ukuthi usifonele let us know or else if ungasho ukuthi ukuphi nawe sizokubamba ke ora asozona no rena litress re together kana kuyo bangitshela ukuthi nawe uma ungafuni ukucooperate zathwara yabona ora asozi bahambe ke kanjalo uthi umuntu abuye bebusuku ngabo AM ngimbuze ke khande moto werakhala uGayi ari my baby mina umsebenzi ongenzayo yabona le moto ezibhoma la etradini ari ke mereko kudira so on this time kunomuntu ulimele so bambatlela zona siyo but for now ayikho izinto eziningi athi ilawyer yami izobribe ijudge licala lebe liphonsa phansi ungawari urasuzi okay ngingawari ke the following day awusuzi mapholisa bo adibana ngoba muthware retendant bambambe uGayi atsakele ke gare go tsamaya court wa ofele 40 unyaka uphele awusuzi yang direct imali kuphi ngenzeni mali akana mali ku bank account uGayi imali yakhe uhamba ichafa yonke indawo yang director child kuGayi khipha mali nonikizilo child kuGayi uchafa yonke indawo or awusuzi haya hambe ke kube phesifi igcineni uGayi bele bamfake ke ngaphakathi bamgwebeke bar 15 years kutronko or awusuzi uGayi unamacala amaningi uthi bamgwebe vele lelo langa bamgwebe ngalo vele uthi sihlangane vele like impilo yakhe buthoko this person's plan impilo plan like is nama big plans together uthi angitshele athi baby mawufuna ukudla hlala endlini yami don't date anyone nguze ungilinde ngize ngiphume or awususikilelo namoto una 8 months alkahari kuyikhona bangi 14 years 5 months ishitting or kemele motho or I fear for my life because abangani bakhe bayangigada or utlabole mola or club sobone abangani bakhe one of his friends bafeta fela or awusuzi akitsorketse jwang so ngibhalele wena ukuthi abadlula kule situation yami ngicela ningisize ngenze kanjani because this guy uyazi ukuthi ngiyazi imali yakho ifihle kuphi ngazi ukuthi bakafuna usizo ufonela mina but now I feel like I cannot wait for 14 years for lempilo le yena icreatile now I want to move on with my life ngiyasebenza so I can support myself so please help me usisi uthi ngicela ningincedeni ukuthi ngenze njani, cause now I feel like if I leave this guy labafana laba abasebenzisana naye bazongibulala. And efamily nikibo uGayi abamfuni cause bathi one of his uncles wadojulwa because of izinto azenzayo, so igibo abamali, the only hope anayo yimi. So for now ngiphila ngithuhile uthi ngihlala endlini kaGayi, but ngiphila ngithukiwe ukuthi lo muntu uzothumela umuntu avule umnyango bangishaya ngikule one, cause umpulise everything I know ukuthi kwenzakalani. I know ukuthi ijaji ibribe ubani, ilawyer ijaji ilawyer ibribe IP judge or katsiba or udrahalang or awuchuzi kadisola kazisola nolomsebenzi nginikeze lo muntu lo kahle kahle manje impilo yami like iphethwe ithwereke ke motho gore o tshwere bophelo ba ka plastic gore ke nathi se dang gore ka phela or ke phele because of everything ke phelang ke bophelo ba hae ngihlala endlini yakhe umsebenzi ngusebenza ngitholele boy. So gona no ke tshogile a ke tsebe ke etse jwang, but I feel ukuthi 14 years it's a lot. It's a lot for me ukuthi ngamela lo muntu lo, and ungitshela ukuthi no baby don't worry, mangaba good boy ngapha ngahlala tops for 6 to 8 days ngixoxwa, so wena ungawari wait for me. Or awushozi akisatseba angaya molong fanele ngireporting ngimfonele ngizoye molo, angaya kai fanele ukuthi ngisende message kitloya ku kai. I do not leave the house without him knowing. Wazi wonke ama steps engiwathathayo throughout the day. Or awushozi ngifila gore nna ke go tronkong le motho o, just because in the name of I love you and I'm providing for you. So uthi ngicela advice kwabantu abajola nabantu ababanjwa ukuthi waphuma kanjani, wakhona kanjani control the situation, or wahlala kanjani until umuntu azabuya. So please guys, ngiyanazi nina bo ladies nina experience, abane experience ifan awusi mthu ifan awusi advice right jwang, cause hayi lempilo le inzima like ibatla una lesebete ngeke phela cabanga sengiyohlala emzini umunye umuntu, lo muntu usejele mara lo muntu wazi everything ngempilo yami. Mawuthi usemall club usubona umngane wakhe, ufike kanjani umngane wakho lo wona khona basadi lo tlogora black o lo tsa chelete shem nasi baba yini.